Okay, working with time model. Working with the time model. If we want to display, display all the properties of time model. If we want to display all the properties of time model, by using following command, import time, dir of time. Import time, dir of time. These are the time model properties. Now I want to get the current system time. Go to time dot c time. Now we'll get the current system time we are getting. Okay, weekday, month, date, year, hour, minute, second, and year. For suppose time dot local time. Okay, it will be written the time in tuple format. Observing very clearly, each and every attribute will be displayed. TM underscore year, month, day or day of month, hour, minute, second, weekday. Weekday value means weekday value starting number is 0. 0 means Monday, 1 means Tuesday, 2 means Wednesday. Year of the day, around 365. Today is the 363. Okay, ISD value by default 0. If you want to change this data manually, in that situation, ISD value automatically change into -1. Next one, time dot local time or GM time. Okay, the time difference between local time and GM time, 5 hours 30 minutes. Here observing very clearly, early morning 1 o'clock, 1:55. Next one, time dot ASCII time. ASCII time means it will take the input as time in tuple format and converting the time in tuple format into string format. We are not specifying any parameter. By default, it will be taken as a local time. Or otherwise, time dot ASCII time of time dot local time. Same result. GM time. Okay. Takes time in tuple format and converting the time into string format. That is the ASCII time functionality. Time dot TZ name. To return the time zone name, our time zone name is IST, Indian Standard Time. Okay, depends upon our time in our computer, time, date and time and location we are changing. Automatically this output also we are changing. Next one, for I in range of 5 times I want to execute this loop. Every time I want to printed hi message, every hi message I want to printed after 10 seconds. In that situation, time dot sleep function we are using, I am passing time. Okay, post time message is printed. Next time message is printed after 10 seconds. Now observing very clearly. You're observing very clearly. First I message is printed. Second I is printed after 10 seconds. Okay, after 50 printing the fifth time, after 10 seconds, our program is will be closing. Third one is over.
So what is difference between local time and GM time?
The time difference between local time and GM time, 5 hours 30 minutes.
So the GM time means European time, right?
Okay, Greenwich Mean Time. Example 4 is over. Okay. Okay, sleep function is also is over. Next one here, two functions are available. One is called strp time and strf time. The strf time function to format the time in tuple format into string format. Okay, observing very clearly. Time dot strf time. It takes two parameters. One is called format code. Second one is called time in tuple format. Time in tuple format is optional. We are not specifying anything. Automatically, it will be taken as a local time. The format codes are year representation, capital Y, and month representation, small m, and date representation, small d. Now observing very clearly. Now, based upon these format codes, to print the which one date based upon our time format, local time. For suppose here we can specify the time dot local time, no problem. We are not specifying anything, automatically it will be taken as this format internally. Okay, this format to give the output as a which format? Which format? Tuple format. Okay, to format the time in tuple format into string. Which format we are getting the output? String format based upon our format codes. For suppose I want to print our capital H for to representing the hours in 24 hours format. Next one, capital M for minutes and capital S for seconds. Okay. Now I am using GM time. Okay. GM time 29:26, but local time 7:39:16. The time difference between these two times 5 hours 30 minutes. Next one, for suppose I want to print either AM or PM, weekday name or month name. How to print that one? Observing very clearly. We are not specifying anything. Automatically, it will be taken as a local time. Time is a local time by default. Now I want to print today weekday abbreviated name I want to print it. For suppose today is Wednesday, abbreviated name is called WED. That name I want to print it, simply small a we are using. Next one, for suppose I want to print abbreviated month name, small b we are using. Abbreviated month name. Now I want to print it either AM or PM. Percentile of P. Okay, Wednesday 2021 December 29 07:40:29 AM. For suppose I want to print a complete weekday name, in that situation we are using percentile A and percentile capital B, month complete name. Next one, I want to display hours, 12 hours format. Simply we are using I. H stands for 24 hours format. I stands for 12 hours format. Now there is no difference between time 24 hours and 12 hours. After 12 o'clock, we can identify the differences between capital I and capital H. Okay. Present there is no difference because present we are working as which hour 7 o'clock. After 12 o'clock, then only to identify the difference between capital H is and capital I. Capital H for 24 hours format. For suppose afternoon 2 o'clock, we can execute in this program. At that time, capital H will be written which one? 40. But capital I written again 2. Next one. Okay, one more function is available. That function name is called strp time. Strp time to parse the string into time in tuple format. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసాము అంటే time in tuple format is converting into string format based upon our format codes. Now coming to the next function strp time to for parsing this string into time in tuple format based upon our format codes. For suppose observing very clearly, import time. Now time dot strp time string parse time in tuple format based upon our format codes. For suppose I am passing one time 1991 string format 1 and 14, or otherwise I am passing 01 also. Next one, 14. Now first parameter is a which parameter? Year. Next parameter is a month parameter. Next parameter is a day parameter. Now this string to parse the time in tuple format based upon our format codes. Which format codes we are specifying? Year, month, day. That's why year 1991, month 1, and month day 14. Hours we are not specifying anything. That's why our value 0, minute value 0, second value 0, weekday. In the 1991, January 14th is a Monday. That's why weekday value is 0. In this particular year, what is the day? 14th day. With John 14th, in the 1991, around 365, January 14th is the 14th day of that particular year. Okay, here we can change these values manually. That's why ISD value automatically move into -1. By default, ISD value is 0. For suppose I am passing 08, 32, and 21. Now these values representation percentage, percentile M, and the percentile S. Now year, month, day, hour, minute, seconds also valid. For suppose I want to take the current time, observing very clearly time dot C time. Now this is the current time format, that is a which format? String format. Now observing very clearly. Now here I am using time dot C time. Time dot C time. That C time to return some string format. What is the first string attribute? Wednesday. Wednesday is a weekday abbreviated name. How to take the weekday abbreviated name? Percentile small a. Next one, month abbreviated. Percentile small b. Next one, date. Percentile small d. Okay, next one, hours. Hours means H, percentile minutes, and percentile seconds. Next one, percentile capital Y, year. Okay, current date 2021, month, day, hour, minute, second, year, weekday, and year of the day. Previous one opposite. Wonderful. Next, another example. For suppose time, I want to calculating the starting time. Time dot. Okay, it will be written the time in floating point digits. Next one, I want to print for loop for I in range of 5 times. Print next one, time dot sleep of 1 second I am using. Next one, for j in range of print hello, or otherwise 1 to 11 print of 5 into j value equal to, okay, next one 5 into j. This message I want to print it. Next one, I want to calculating the end time. Okay, end time equal to time dot, again now I want to print elapsed time. Okay, percentile dot 2f seconds. That message I want to print it. Percentile of which one? End time minus starting time. Remaining time I'm calculating. Now elapsed time is 5:37 seconds. Now observing very clearly, 5:37 seconds means here 5 seconds is over because each and every high message after 1 second. Totally 5 seconds. Remaining program execution taken as a 37. Okay, now one more time I'm executing. Okay, maximum I want to change the these milliseconds time is different. Right. Completed. Next one, working with date time model. Working with date time model. Completed. Now observing very clearly, if we want to display all the properties of datetime model by using following command. Datetime dir of datetime, import datetime dir of datetime. Okay. Now observing very clearly, import datetime dir of datetime. Here, one more function is available. That function name is called datetime function. Now, import datetime x equal to datetime dot datetime. If you're interested, we can create a custom datetime object. Custom datetime object means, for suppose I am passing 1991, month number, date, 23, 34. Now, custom datetime object we are created. Okay, type of X. This is a datetime object we are created. For suppose I want to create a current datetime object. Simply y equal to datetime dot datetime. Simply in the datetime providing one method. That method name is called now. Now we will get the current system datetime object we have created. Okay. Now that y datetime object having some attributes. What are the attributes? Y dot year is printed. Same x dot year, x year is printed. Y dot month is printed. Y dot day is printed. Y dot hour. Okay, previously I'm not specifying any microsecond. That's why microseconds are not printed. But here by default microseconds are also generated. Y dot minute, Y dot second, and Y dot microseconds. Next one, this is the microseconds. Y dot min, Y dot max date object, Y dot C time, again Y dot strf time. Now I want to print it year. Next one, month. Next one, day. Now string format we are getting. If you interest, what are the attributes are available? Simply dir of y. Now these are the y attributes. Okay, time tuple. Okay, weekday. Now observing very clear. Y dot time tuple. Now current time object. Which one? Time in tuple format we are getting. For suppose I want to get the today, what is the day of a year, either 363 or 350. I want to print it year of the day. How to print that one? Y dot tm underscore y day. Now attribute tm underscore. Okay. Okay, for suppose a equal to y dot time tuple. Okay. Now a dot tm underscore y day. Now year of the day value printed. Okay, number of attributes are available. First example, I am creating my custom date time object. Second one, I am creating current date time object. Right.
Sir, what is this y dot min and y dot max?
Okay, we can creating a minimum data object and maximum data object.
Okay.
Minimum from this year and this month and this date, and maximum this year and this month and this date.
Okay, sir, got it.
Yeah. Okay. Next one, another example. Import date time. I want to create a custom date object. A equal to date time dot date is there. Now I'm providing year 1991 140. Okay. Now I'm creating a one date object, custom date object. For suppose I want to create a current date object, b equal to date time dot date dot today. Okay, that b having only which one date related attributes like as a year or month. Next one day don't contains hour or minute to seconds because here there is no time format, here only date format. Now b dot year and b dot month and b dot second which one day b dot for suppose I'm calling hour, then immediately error message. Okay, here only date related attributes are there. B dot min and B dot max and B dot C time. Now only date related attributes are we are getting, but a time related 000 by default. B dot str f time printing percentage y and percentage m and percentage.
Sir, STRF time.
Okay. Okay, this is the one advantage in 3.10 versions. By mistakenly you are missing any one spelling mistakes or everything, it is providing one user-friendly message. In 3.9, don't providing this type of user-friendly messages. Okay. Three is over. Example 3. Your UI technologies course is over. UI technologies, HTML, where apply.
So one, I mean, it's to get clarity on that. So who is going to teach CSS and JavaScript and HTML, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, as part of this course, we also, need to attend JavaScript and HTML and other classes. So who is going to take all those classes? Is it you or any other faculty?
Okay, another faculty to teaching only front-end technologies.
Okay.
Yeah, to consult the management providing front-end technologies, or otherwise at the time of starting Django,
Mhm.
I will discussing HTML and CSS and JavaScript as a developer. What are the requirements? Some examples I am explaining. No problem. 1 week I am explaining HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap.
Okay. What is the duration of the JavaScript, sir? JavaScript and CSS.
Okay, actually, if you want to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, it takes minimum 3 months. Okay, if you want to learn completely HTML separately, CSS separately, JavaScript separately, and Bootstrap, I think minimum 60 to 65 hours is required. As a UI developer, If you go for full stack developer, don't require that much time. You can learn some basics. Okay, I am explaining that basic concepts at the time of discussing Django. Okay. Otherwise, management providing some another training only for UI technologies. Okay.
The cloud side people's not required much. HTML,
HTML.
HTML, JavaScript not required to cloud side.
Yeah, if you go for full stack development, then only these requirements, UI technologies. Except full stack,
Okay.
either UI development, we go for either cloud or DevOps or data science. The technologies are not required.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Completed. Now observing very clearly int of input strip. Why we are using strip method?
Sir, actually, I got this from HackerBank site actually.
Okay, input function, it takes the data from as a which format? String format. After that one, if you want to take the input as a only one string single value, are you clear?
Yep.
Yeah, at that time they don't require any strip method.
Okay.
Next one, observing very clearly, the value must be 6 to 21. Okay, 21 is excluded, but value is greater than 5 and less than 21. At the same time, which one? N mod 2 not equal to 0.
That should be even, correct?
This is a which one? N mod 2 not equal to 0
Oh,
means
sorry,
that is a odd number.
Odd number, sorry.
Yeah, we can take n value, n in range. If n in range,
Sir, this is a condition I just pasted.
yeah, if it is odd to print wide, if it is even, and in the inclusive range of 2 print not wide, if you even, and then inclusive range of 2 print wide. Remaining conditions. Okay, it is providing range options also. What are the range options? This logic we are implemented or any copy from any other another net source?
No, I implemented, but only doubt I came is when OR conditions comes, any of any of these two condition has to be met, right? If n in range 6 to 21 or that statement comes, right?
If n in range of 6 comma 21, that means for suppose here I am passing n value is 4. Okay, Observing
Parameters,
yeah.
mistakes.
Okay, this is also logic is correct. N value 4 I am passing. Now 4 in range of 6 comma 21. Condition is true or false? False.
False.
Next at the same time here also 4 mod 2 not equal to 0. Condition is true or false? 4 mod 2 not equal to 0. Condition is failed.
True.
Condition is failed.
True.
4 mod 2 means 0.
Yep,
0 not equal to 0. False.
False.
Now control go to elif condition. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now 4 mod 2 double equal to 0. 4 mod 2 double equal to 0 means
Condition.
true or n in range of 2 comma 6. Now this condition is also true. N value is 4. 4 in range of 2 comma 6. Now true or true. Condition is true. At the same time, n value is greater than which one? 20. Condition is true or false?
N is not greater than 20, right?
Yeah, n greater than 20. 4 greater than 20. Condition is true or false?
It is false.
Okay, this value is true, this entire value, but this value is false. True or under false, this is under operation. Now condition is failed, control go to else block. Now not valid message is printed. Are you clear?
Yeah, got it. Now I got it, sir. Multiple conditions. Yeah, I got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Now observing very clearly, I am passing 4, not void message we are getting. Okay. Next, for suppose I am passing one more value, that value I am passing 5. 5 in range of 6 comma 21. Condition is fail. Or 5 mod 2 not equal to 0. Condition is true. Now false or true? True. Now valid message is printed.
Okay. Okay, sir. Got it.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Now observing very clearly, this is the theoretical statement. In the hacker rank, some conditions are also providing. Okay, given an integer, perform the following conditional actions. If it is even, to print void. If it is even, this is odd number. I am passing 5. That's why I print void. Next one. If it is even and in the inclusive range of 2, already some values we are providing. Print not void. That means even number and in the inclusive range of 2. That means observing very clearly. For suppose I am passing value 2 comma 6. I am passing one even number. For suppose even number I am passing 4. In that situation, not void message is printed. On third condition, if it is even and in the inclusive range of 2, print void. If it is even and greater than 20 or anything, in that situation it is printed not void. For suppose, whenever second condition is executed, that number is even number, at the same time greater than 20. For suppose I am passing 22. Now that second elif condition is executed. Jitin, are you clear? Jitin.
Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Yeah, okay.
I got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, next class I am discussing remaining daytime functionalities. After that, one simple one age calculator and one birthday reminder application. After that, we will starting OS module and the sys module. Okay, in real time, each and every module we are using at the time of implementation of the projects.